LVMH Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, commonly known as LVMH, is a French multinational corporation and organization specializing in luxury goods, headquartered in Paris. The companies were founded in 1987 and now owns many world-famous high-end fashion and beauty brands such as Louis Vuitton, Dior, Bulgari, Celine, Givenchy, Tiffany & Co., and Fendi. So now let's talk about Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton is a French fashion house founded in 1854 by Louis Vuitton and is a division of LVMH. The house is known for its luxury leather goods including handbag, luggage, trunk, and clothing. Louis Vuitton is one of the most valuable brands with an estimated value of more than $32 billion in 2022, and the company has a global presence with more than 5,000 stores in the world. And a particularly popular category for the brand is iconic handbag, which have transcended mere fashion to become the symbol of luxury and status worldwide.
So first, about the type of supply chain, LVMH applied a vertical supply chain.
This means that the group controls most of the stages in the supply chain, from raw material sourcing to manufacturing to distribution. This gives LVMH a high degree of control over the quality of products and the speed at which it introduces new products to the market.
Next, let's take a closer look at LVMH's sustainable strategy, including the vision, mission, and targets of the group and its cheaper bottom line model.
The vision of the LVMH group is to represent the most refined qualities of Western art de vivre, which means the art of living, around the world, and to be the world's leading luxury products group, recognized for its exceptional creativity, innovation, elegance, and for its consistently high-quality products. The mission of the LVMH group is to nurture and develop each of its brands while respecting their identity and autonomy, providing them with all the resources they need to design, produce, market products and the services defined by excellence and the highest quality.
And LVMH's targets include, the first one is to sustain and enhance the long-term growth and profitability of each maison. And the next one is to maintain and strengthen the company's leadership position in the global luxury goods market. And the third one is to continuously innovate and develop new products and services that meet luxury consumers' evolving needs and desires. And last but not least, to foster a sustainability and environmental responsibility throughout the company's decisions.
Environmental stewardship.
LVMH is committed to reducing its environmental impact by focusing on energy efficiency, waste reduction, and sustainable sourcing. The company has established an environmental strategy and takes concrete measures to protect the environment.
To be specific, Making Earth Day 2021, LVMH presents a bold new vision of luxury by unveiling its Life 360 environmental strategy, relying on the alliance of nature and creativity. Life 360 is an initiative with precise targets and timeframes, products in harmony with nature that respect and preserve biodiversity and the climate, engaging and motivating all stakeholders. Social responsibility.
LVMH is committed to creating a safe and ethical working environment for its employees and to supporting local community and social causes. The group's social responsibility focus was marked by the rollout of a global diversity and inclusion roadmap in 2022. Among the objectives of these actions, plan on reaching 100% of women in key positions, along with equal pay and increasing the proportion of people with disabilities to 2% of the global workforce.
Economic prosperity.
LVMH is committed to create long-term value for its shareholders by sustainably managing its business.
Because the strategy of Louis Vuitton is to provide customers with premier and unique products, it must have an abundant inventory of materials. Therefore, LV applies strategic sourcing to identify and cultivate intimate relationships with suppliers. The sourcing strategy for handbags reflects the brand's commitment to quality, craftsmanship, and innovation. According to sourcing design metrics, strategic alliance and request for proposal are the most appropriate for seeking adequate suppliers. These two forms enhance the collaboration between LV and suppliers and are indispensable for such a luxury brand. So, who are LV suppliers? In order to answer these questions, we need to scrutinize the raw materials a handbag includes. As we can observe, a typical handbag consists of various materials like monochrome canvas, zippers, metalware, straps, and handles. To ensure the high quality of merchandise in the market, LV exclusively procures materials from prestigious companies. However, it does not permit any of them to furnish all handbag components since suppliers has different techniques and competencies. Consequently, one supplier only attains a small step in the supply chain of LV. For example, the classic monochrome canvas is sourced from a limited number of European corporations like Vuitton, Barbados, Canonico from Italy, or Kiplos from France, with generations of expertise in creating durable, high-quality fabrics. In addition, LV partners with heritage leather tanneries in the USA and Germany like Tandy Leather and Leather Fabric to ensure a steady supply of defect-free calfskin, lambskin, cowhide skin, and exotics. With over 400 stores in more than 50 countries worldwide, requirements for the fluency and smoothness of supply chain are other problems LV must take into consideration. To address it, LV uses DGMRP, an advanced supply chain management method that uses active monitoring of downstream demand to drive strategic supply planning. Furthermore, LV collaborates with logistic providers. On a global scale, LV contracts with esteemed transportation companies with plentiful subsidiaries. But locally, LV partners with local logistics suppliers for better cost control and adaptivity. Additionally, LV keeps an eye on the balance between performance and environmental responsibility. In 2013, LV became the first French company to earn ISO 14001 certification. LV stated, "Green supply chain is not an isolated issue, but an integral component in LV's relationships with suppliers, and every bit as important as other factors." Concurrently, every effort is made to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from transportation. Louis Vuitton asks transport partners to train their drivers in eco-driving and carbon footprint. So you can see that LV also is for the most part of sourcing, which has both advantages and disadvantages. The quality of materials and the speed of logistics are dramatically upgraded, which means LV can provide customers with the best item. However, the over-dependence on partnerships may lead to failure in spend control or disruption from the suppliers.
So let's dive into the manufacturing of Louis Vuitton handbags. First, where are Louis Vuitton handbags manufactured? Well, they are exclusively produced in Louis Vuitton's workshops located in France, Spain, Italy, and the United States. There is no difference in the quality of the bags regardless of their manufacturing locations. So, why are Louis Vuitton handbags so expensive? The reason behind this is the really high manufacturing costs. The luxury brand shies away from outsourcing its manufacturing to cheaper locations, such as China.
The products are handmade by experienced craftspeople using top-notch materials to ensure that each item is made to the highest quality standards.
It usually takes about 48 hours and 250 operations to complete a bag. Next, I will show you the manufacturing process of Louis Vuitton handbags. The making process starts with ideas. The design team at Louis Vuitton creates sketches and plans for the new handbag, incorporates the brand signature style and the latest fashion trends. The leather and other materials are strictly sourced from the highest quality suppliers. After the leathers arrive at the workshop, the artisans will measure the thickness to filter out suitable pieces and map out the surface to look for imperfections. After that, the leathers are cut by hand or machine. Laser is also used to achieve the highest precision. Louis Vuitton incorporates various printing techniques such as embossing and debossing, hot stamping, screen printing, and 3D printing. The cut leather pieces are then assembled together using hand sewing or sewing machines. Once the handbag is assembled, the edges are trimmed and polished, and any hardware or embellishments such as padlocks, studs, zippers are added. Finally, each handbag undergoes strict inspection to ensure that it meets Louis Vuitton's high standards before it is ready for sale. The company has a team of employees whose job is to count the stitches or measure the distance of the patterns. There's also a quality testing machine doing a test on the handbag to see how much weight it can hold. Let's talk about manufacturing strategies. Louis Vuitton has 3 types of manufacturing strategies. Number 1, make to stock. Obviously, right, as you can see, its handbags displayed in its store. Number 2, make to order. Number 3, engine to order. Annier, which is the historic workshop and heart of Louis Vuitton, is still in operation. It is here that Louis Vuitton artisans craft all custom-made leather goods, including handbags and special order trunks for clients around the world. Louis Vuitton also strives for sustainability in manufacturing. The brand has developed sustainable packaging throughout its entire value chain through 3 main actions: reduce the volume of materials used, prioritize recycled and recyclable materials, eliminate single-use plastic. By 2025, it actually reduced 43% between 2019 and 2022. What else? Louis Vuitton also run on workshops on renewable energy. In 2022, 71% of the energy that the workshops and logistics sites consume came from renewable sources. And since 2007, Louis Vuitton's approach to a sustainable architecture concept has been one of continuous improvement, targeting the most demanding environmental certifications in the world. Ohatora is Louis Vuitton's first workshop built according to bioclimatic principles. In the Beaulieu workshop, natural sources of light were optimized throughout the building. The Marseille's workshop benefits from natural insulation through a green roof and heat pumps. The Saint-Denis workshop in USA is equipped with solar panels to generate renewable energy.
Transportation modes. As a luxury brand, Louis Vuitton only selects the appropriate mode for transportation network, and from that requirement, truck, air freight, and intermodal seem to be the most appropriate. Firstly, trucks are omnipresent with extensive network of roads so that they provide good access and stability for domestic shipments. Air freight is another alternative for LV, since product can be delivered with greater speed and security as modern technologies are applied to ensure the actual items are well protected before reaching the final destination in other countries or continent. And the last choice for Louis Vuitton is intermodal, which is the combination of the 2 kinds of formation. As the number of products delivered each time is different from others, so flexibility and cost efficiencies are the significant benefits of this alternative. Warehouse activities. As a luxury brand, it is more likely that LV utilizes a hub-and-spoke warehouse system to distribute its finished goods to retail stores. From a hub warehouse, for example, in Ferrara City, LV disseminates products to 12 distributions around the world, like in France, Japan, and China. Products are then dispatched to outlets before being purchased by end customers. And this kind of warehouse allows consolidation and distribution sorted by product type and market, which helps speed up the delivery process and meet the demand in each nation more quickly than shipping directing from warehouse to end destination. Distribution channel. LV distribution strategies aim to maintaining authenticity, service quality, preventing unauthorized sales, and gray market, contributing to the preservation of brand image. It uses 3 kinds of distribution channels: exclusive retail stores, authorized retailers, and e-commerce platform.
The LV handbag in perfect sellable condition with original receipt, invoice, packaging, booklets, instruction manuals, and covers can be exchanged or returned for a full refund within 30 days from your original purchase date, except personalized or made-to-order item. LV also provides 3 ways in which you can return the handbag: online, over the phone, or in-store, and these are the specific
Customer service.
Louis Vuitton is renowned for providing exceptional customer service to those who purchase their handbags. To be specific, staff at LV stores always give personalized attention to customers and offer expert guidance in selecting the perfect handbag that fits each customer's preferences and styles. The brand also strives to make the shopping experience as seamless and enjoyable as possible by offering its customers a variety of services, such as personal shopping appointments, in-store delivery, and complimentary gift wrapping. And with loyal customers, Louis Vuitton provides them with many exclusive benefits, including early access to new collections, personalized invitations to events, free shipping, and special discounts.